Oops, was that really the plan? Or can we do a lot better? I keep seeing pottery tutorials where people trim a wobbly rim like this. It works, but honestly it's not the right technique, and the tool itself can be improved as well. That's what this video is about. First, let's look at the technique. Don't hold the needle freehand. Rest it against your thumb instead. Your thumb stays on the outside of the pot, your index finger supports the inside, and you guide the needle directly toward your index finger. The moment you feel the needle break through, lift the trimmed ring away. Ideally, this should only take 2 or 3 revolutions, maybe 5 if the rim is thick or really uneven, but we can do much better. Most of the time, we simply use whatever tool happens to be nearby. Sometimes I even use a knife like this or this trimming knife. But almost every household already has something that's much better, a regular sewing needle. It's hard to focus on, but look how much thinner it is. Just imagine how much less resistance it creates while cutting. All you need is an old wine cork. Grab a pair of pliers and you've got the perfect homemade pottery tool. Use the little hole left by the corkscrew if there is one. Now grip the eye of the needle with the pliers and push it into the cork. If it's a little tight, just press it against the table. That's it. A simple tool made from things you probably already have at home. While you're working, stick the needle into your sponge. That keeps dried clay from building up on the tip, or simply leave it soaking in water. I should warn you though. Over the years, you're probably going to poke yourself 2, 3, maybe 4 times. It happens to everyone. Now let's see how it cuts. Almost no resistance. It slices through the clay like a hot knife through butter. You can even play with it, although you probably shouldn't. Seriously though, give it a try. I haven't found anything better. I was honestly surprised that so few potters seem to use a tool like this. Sometimes it's the simplest little things that are worth sharing. One last tip: replace the needle every 6 months or so. Eventually it will rust through, and finding a broken needle inside your clay is definitely not a surprise you want.